back with more Carolina GM mode, and we are facing off against the Ottawa Senators in the first round of the playoffs. So let's get right to it. No stalling. I just want to get this series over, and still, of course, win our third Stanley Cup. Jesus. All right. So that guy Slight scored their fourth line. Second period. Oof, Sturk. And Skinner gets one back. Very nice. Can we get one more, please? Two more? Power play? No. And... Ooh, alright, so this may be a bit harder than we thought. Yeah. Whew, they got, they might have good defensive stats there. But we do too, so no excuses, boys. I mean, we have an all-star goaltender, all-star defense for the most part, and a really freaking deep forward core. So let's go. First period, let's go. There you go, Karnakov. Power play in front of the net. Oh, Roach got one back. Oh, Lalonde. Come on now, boys. Don't ruin this. Don't make it a first round. Don't make it a first round exit. Oh my God, Kyle Turris. All right, Sheehan. Come on. Where's the clutch? Where's the clutch from the past 2 years? It's all because I messed with the roster, didn't I? It's all because of that. It's all because of that trade. If we don't win the Stanley Cup, I'm blaming it on that. Oh! Karnakov and Falk. I wasn't even paying attention, and look what we have, overtime. Who's going to win it? Power play, good kill. Oh, Lalonde. Not looking good, boys. First two games are both losses. It's not what I like to see. Even shots on net. Come on now. If we lose this next game, and if... I was thinking about putting Campbell in, but nah, Scott Smith's just way too good. We have to keep him in there. But maybe bring up that guy we traded for to the second line or something, and switch the lines around. There you go. Karnakov's leading the offense. There you go, Justin Schultz. Thank you. Second period. Give me a support goal, boys. Get me a support goal. Don't let us lose to the Ottawa Senators in the first round after winning the Stanley Cup 2 times. Give me a break. Are we real? Thank you. Trade, okay. He paid off. Temporarily. OT, come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yes! Okay, Schultz, we're back in this. Whew. We can't breathe yet, boys. We can't breathe yet. We still got a long way to go. We may have 17 more wins than them during the regular season, but anything can happen in the playoffs. Let's go, boys. Game 4. Come on now. There you go, Jeff Skinner. Oh, Jesus. Shut the door, boys. Offense, I need you to step up this game. Let's go. Second period. There you go, Riley Sheehan. This is a big game, boys. It's a big game. Oh. Defense, where are you? Third period. Oh no, Tommy Wingles. 2 seconds left. Oh, come on, boys. Oh, Kyle Turris, come on. Come on, boys. Get me 2 late ones. Get me 2. Okay, good, good. Jeff Skinner. Come on, one more. Give me, yes! Zach Smith! Oh, come on, boys. Yes! Karnakov! Oh, come on. Yes! What looked like what was it going to be a bad game? And we were going to be down 3-1. Our depth save us, boys. We're back in this, 2-2. But still, come on. Let's win this. Let's win this next game. Whoever wins this game wins the series. I'm calling it right now. Come on. Come on, Carolina. Don't embarrass yourselves and lose in the first round. Oh, Eric Carlson. Come on, boys. Not a good first period. Let's have a better second. Well, we did outshoot them, but still. There you go. Elias Lindholm from behind the net, apparently. An impossible angle. Oh, defense, where are you? Oh, third period. Come on. Come on. Oh, Cahoon. He's killing us. Carolina, give me 2 late ones. Where's the clutch? Clutch. Oh, we're down 3-2. And the Ottawa Senators are 1 win away from eliminating the reigning 2-time Stanley Cup champions. And to make matters worse, oh my God. Alright. Brodecki, you're going up to the third line. Tikana, actually, you know what? Tikana, third line. Was, yeah. Who is here? Oh yeah, Karnakov. Alright, so it's as if we never made that trade. And we're back to our normal roster, so I expect a win here, boys. We're back to the old chemistry. Come on now. Don't be eliminated in the first round. Please do not be eliminated in the first round. Oh, Fontaine. Boys, I'm gonna cry. Please don't let this happen. Thank you, Zach Smith. Oh, God. Oh, please, boys. Oh, for the sake of the Carolina fans. For the sake of me. For the sake of your sanity. Oh, my God. Oh, no. We're done. Oh my God, boy. It doesn't matter for 10. Oh, wait a minute. Making it interesting. Yeah, we're done. There's no way. Yeah. Just put a little salt in the wound, why don't you? Oh, I called the boys. Whoever won Game 5 gonna win the series, and look what happened. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a headache. This is terrible, honestly. Back-to-back Stanley Cup champions, and we lose in the first round to the Ottawa Senators, who only had 40 wins. We had 57 in the regular season. The President's Trophy. Oh my God. Well, see you in the wrap-up vid, boys.